I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling.
Hey, hey, hey! Hi, hi, hi! Ayan, before and after. Ito ang before and after, guys. Couple tricolor with highlights, balayage. Step 1, guys. Huwag kalimutan to. Umpisan muna natin sa paggugupit para maging proportion ang outcome niya. So, dito muna tayo sa paggugupit, guys.
To put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters. They're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown.
Step 2 na tayo. Naglagay tayo ng plastic cover para iwas kalat. Ayan, nagtimpla tayo ng hair color, pang base color natin. Ayan, gagamitin natin pang base color.
I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Ito na mga idol, nakababad na ang ating customer sa base color. At ito naman ay bleach natin. At ito na nga ay tapos na nating shampoohin ang customer natin. So i-blower muna natin to mga idol.
I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all
At ito na nga mga idol, ang kinalabasan ng ginawa nating base color. Nagmukha siyang golden ash brown. Ayan. At ito naman ngayon ang kinalabasan ng bleach color. Ayan. Ito na. Nag-start na tayo sa highlights. Kung tawagin nila ay balayage. Alright. Ating himay-himayin ay mikos-mikos at lagyan ng highlights si Idol para po masabi na tricolor. Kaya ang tawag nila dyan ay 3-in-1 color. Kaya kung sino pa ang hindi nakapag-subscribe dyan at nanonood lang, pindutin mo na ang subscribe at bell button para updated ka sa aking mga upload. Thank you so much mga idol at God bless po sa inyong lahat dyan. Alright guys, tapos na tayo. Kasalukuyan ibababad natin to ng 20 to 30 minutes ang highlight spoil para hindi ma-damage ang kanyang buhok. At syempre ang kanyang couple ngayon guys ay kasalukuyan din dinidevelop ang kanyang hair color sa bleaching powder. Alright. At ito na nga mga idol, dumating na sa tamang oras. Nag-color na at na-achieve na natin ng color. Ayan.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. hold my beer for a minute.
Back to blower tayo muli mga idol. Papatuyuin natin to. At galing sa pagsha-shampoo sa hair color.
I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams,
At ngayon mga idol,
we all want things.
nagtimpla ako ng ash blonde, natural ash blonde, para ipatong natin sa ginawa kong highlights na kung tawagin nila highlights balayage. Alright, outcoming tayo mga idol sa update ha. Huwag kayong aalis.
Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh,
Ito na mga idol, magtsatsaga na naman tayo magbabad dito ng 1 oras. Sobrang tsaga talaga nitong dalawa mga idol. At habang nagbababad tayo mga idol sa hair color, ay mag-highlights naman tayo dito sa kabila. Alright, huwag kayong maalis ha.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
At ito na nga ang kinalabasan mga idol ng tricolor, kinulayan ng ash blonde at hinighlights natin at kinulayan uli ng isa pang gray. Ayan ang kinalabasan mga idol. Tika lang, madapo naman tayo dito sa kabila mga idol at naglagay naman tayo ng treatment dito. Minikos-mikos natin sa treatment para malambot ang kanyang buhok at hindi mag-dry tingnan. Ayan.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice.
At ibababad natin mga idol ng halos 20 minutes para po malambot ang buhok niya. Si idol pa ba papayag na hindi makilayan? Syempre, kasama yan, package deal yan. Alright.
Wait, our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Ito na mga idol, pinashampoo na natin ang buhok ni idol. Ayan, blower na natin mga idol. Imikos-mikos na natin sa blower.
I'm falling fast.
Ito na mga idol, ang result ng ginawa natin. Comment down below kung ano masasabi nyo. At kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe dyan, please subscribe and hit notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga video. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang picture-picture mga idol.
Sana all.
Ayan, hindi natin masabi kung happy sila o hindi. So, comment down below ha. Alright, bye-bye. Huwag nyo na lang ako titigan mga idol ha. Sadyang pangit talaga yung pagkagawa sa akin ng aking mga magulang.